Hey everyone, Stancomplect is on air. We are starting a series of videos about carbide milling cutters for machining centers. We present carbide cutters made by HD Woodworking tools of the CL series. The first product line is the CL-07, a carbide cutter with 3 cutting parts and a chip breaker. The cutter has a special coating that extends its service life. It is available in diameter of 6, 8, and 10 millimeters, and the cutting height ranges from 20 to 40 millimeters. This is a universal solution for cutting any board materials, both laminated and unlaminated. The special feature of this cutter is that the type of material has almost no effect on the service life. Our customers have already appreciated the cost-effectiveness of the 6 mm diameter cutter. This is the most popular diameter in the CL-07 product line. When using this cutter on the machining center with nesting technology, you will get high-quality straight and curved cuts in one cycle. This is compared to a cutting center that has an average curve width of 4.8 millimeters. So, with only a 20% increase in cutting width, you get a high-quality and versatile solution. For more information, price, and availability, please visit our website or contact our specialists. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. See you online!